Loot, Wild Country updates more. Multiple states under tornado watch as severe weather continues. Multiple states from the Great Plains to the Midwest are on watch for possible tornadoes Tuesday, a day after severe weather hit with twisters and softball-sized hail. The National Weather Service issued tornado watches for Nebraska, Iowa, South Dakota, and Missouri through Tuesday evening. The NWS Tornado Watch covers 8 counties in Iowa and 23 in Nebraska, including Lincoln and Omaha. Damaging winds of 70 to 90 miles per hour are also being forecast for Des Moines, Chicago, and Milwaukee from Tuesday afternoon and into the evening. Des Moines, a city of more than 200,000 people, is expected to get triple dose of bad weather with large hail, high winds, and tornadoes covering in the area. Severe weather is in full swing across the Great Plains and the Midwest, with more than 100 severe storms reported Monday from Colorado to Michigan. At least 3 tornadoes were reported on Monday in Minnesota, Nebraska, and Colorado, but caused no significant damage, which is good. That's a blessing. In Yuma, in northeast Colorado, hail ranging from golf ball to softball size plummeled the area, causing damage to cars and buildings. At one point, the hail was so deep it caused multiple vehicles to get stuck. J.J. Unger, a volunteer Yuma firefighter, told ABC News Tuesday. It was like a blizzard hitting for a half hour because of the hail, Unger said. That's the longest I've seen it hail like that. So basically, he's going into what the storms did. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to read the rest of it. I'm just letting you guys know to be on a lookout for severe storms today in the Midwest. So anybody from the Midwest that watches this video, I'm doing this update for you guys. So just be prepared. Have a lookout for Ryan Hull, you all. He may go live later today. Max, he's another weather person. He may go live today. So just keep a lookout for them weather channels that cover this stuff on YouTube. Peace and blessings. I'm out.